Hi guys, so first of all, my name is Brian. Some of you guys may know me as imusicboy from that Ghost Duet cover video. And since that video has gotten over 3,000 views and some of you guys wanted some tutorials, so here it is. I would really love to share this with you guys, so make sure you check all my other videos and subscribe if you haven't. That would be greatly appreciated, and let's just jump right into it. So I made this for about a year ago and I hope I still remember the chords. I think I'm going to break it to 3 parts. The first one is the chords, the second one is melody A, and the third is melody B. So let's just break down the plucking first. So what I did was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you like thump it and whilst strum it. So it's like show you guys the preview first. Okay, the breakdown. Okay, so we'll start off by the C major 7 to B flat 13 to A sharp 5 to A 7 sharp 5 to D minor 7 to G 13 C major 7, and then you repeat the whole part and then it comes to the A7 part, which is like and D minor 9 G 13 C major 7. Okay, part 2, melody A. Okay, we'll start off by string D on the 5th fret. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. If you guys have any ideas, just leave them in the comments below and maybe you'll get featured in the next video. And again, thanks for watching, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.